Hello guys, welcome to Online Web Tutor presented by Perfect Sessions team. I am Sanjay. We are learning Node.js with MySQL APIs. This is our part 9. Inside this video session guys, we will see about and discuss about Node Package Manager, that is NPM. So if we go to the next tab, so what basically Node Package Manager? So NPM is a command line tool that installs, updates or uninstall Node.js packages from our application. We will see in our upcoming videos that if we want to install any third-party module or third-party Node.js packages in our application, so NPM is very helpful for that. So by the help of NPM, we can update, install or uninstall Node.js packages from our application. It is also an online repository for open source Node.js packages. The Node community around the world creates useful modules and publishes them as packages inside this repository. So simply, these line meanings that this is an official website of NPM where we can create our Node packages module as well. After creating Node.js packages, we can publish to this official website. Means this is a repository where we can create, or actually world has creating useful modules and publishes them as a packages inside this repository. So basically, we can understand that NPM stands for Node Package Manager is a command line tool that is used to install, update or uninstall third-party Node.js packages from our application. So if you go to the official website, now this is npmjs.com. Here we can simply sign in. Firstly, before that we have to sign up. So after sign up and sign in, if we can create our Node.js modules, then we can publish here. So if we back to slide, now NPM is included with Node.js installation. As you have remembered that in the first lectures actually we have installed Node.js in our system. So NPM is automatically installed when we install Node.js installation. So after we install Node.js, verify NPM installation by writing the following command in the terminal. So automatically NPM get installed. So to check about the NPM version, back to terminal, and here we have to type only about NPM -v stands for version. So if I press enter, now we can see that 6.13.4, this is the version of NPM that we have currently inside my system. Also, we have an alternative command something NPM and version to check the version of NPM. Also, we can check about the node version, and this is the node version of my system have. So we have to keep in our mind is that no need to install NPM standalone. While installing Node.js in our system, NPM automatically get installed. So back to slide. Now this is all about the introduction section of NPM. About going through all these lines, only we can understand that NPM is a command line tool that install, update and uninstall third-party packages, means Node.js packages from our application. So how can we verify about the Node.js installation, NPM? So by going through terminal or command prompt, we have to type npm -v or npm --, version to check about NPM version what we have inside our system. So go to the next tab. So how can we install local packages? It means that by using NPM, we can install packages locally or globally inside our system. So firstly, let's understand about what is local package and what is global package. If we back to folder structure, let's suppose that this is our application. Inside this application for now, if we want to install any third-party packages for this application only, for this project only, then those packages are known as local packages. But let's suppose that we want to use some global packages, and global packages basically resides in our system instead of any project folder. Global packages resides in our system. So by the help of global packages, we can access them inside our any project inside our local system. But remember, while installing any local packages, the local packages are only used inside this project setup. If we want to actually use or import those packages in another application, then it will not work. So to access about third-party packages, we need to install globally inside our system so that we can access in different projects. So back to slide. So if we want to install local packages inside our system, then this is the command actually we need to run called npm install, and here we need to write called package name. Let's say that we are going to install Express in our project. So if we want to install locally, then we need to write called npm install, and here the package name called Express. So npm install Express is the command we need to run in our terminal. But remember, while installing any packages, before we need to write package.json file. After writing that, while installing any packages, then it will create a node modules folder inside our project. Either if suppose we are going to install the package either locally or globally, then it will create a node modules folder. The difference is that while installing locally, it will create node modules folder only inside the project folder. But while installing globally, it will create node modules folder at our system label. Only the difference between installation of locally packages and globally packages is that inside this command only we need to write a flag here. So npm install, this is package name, all about installation of local packages. While installing global packages which resides in the system, we need to write npm install -g as is a flag which stands for at global level, and this is our package name. So if we want to install Express Node.js package, we need to write npm install -g, and this is all about Express here. So npm can install packages globally so that all the Node.js application inside our system or inside our computer can import and use the installed packages. npm installs global packages at this path. Here we have node modules, but this is at the root system. Again here inside this local installation also we have node modules folder, but this is inside our project only. So let's say that we are going to install Express in our project only. So go inside this project setup, copy the path, back to terminal, let's say cd. We are just redirecting inside this folder, and only we need to type, let's say npm install, and let's say that if we want to install Express Node.js module, then this is the command actually we need to write. But remember, inside our application right now there is no package.json file. So firstly we need to generate that. So we will see inside next lecture. So for now, all we need to understand is that if we want to install any Node.js package, then this is the command actually we need to write called npm install, and this is all about our package name. And if we want to add this package globally at our system, so only we need to write npm install -g flag, and here is the package name called Express. So this is all about what we have seen to install local packages as well as global packages. Now if we back to the next tab, now let's say that we have a package.json file. Now we want to add a dependency inside this file so that while exporting this application, let's say that we have two systems. Inside our first system, we have successfully developed a Node.js project. Now if we want to export and use to another system, we are not just going to give them whole project. only we are giving about the files and the package.json. Let's say that in our package.json or inside our application, we have three files. If I open a new tab, let's say that a Node.js project we have developed, and let's say that it has got app.js, user.js, we have let's say package.json, and finally we have node modules folder. Why? Basically, while installing any Node.js module, all the installation go inside this node modules. Now let's say that this is only a scenario for system 1. Now if we want to export this project to our system 2, we are not going to give this node modules folder. We are just giving like app.js, user.js and package.json. Only three files I'm going to export and give to the system 2. So while going through the system 2, while typing npm install, it goes inside this package.json and find what are the dependencies basically this application needs. So while installing npm install, automatically it finds all the packages from this package.json, creates this node modules folder and install all the packages inside this folder. So this is all about saving our dependency inside this package.json. So how can we save that? So by using save flag, we can install any packages and add as a dependency inside package.json. So how can we write the command? So simply we need to write npm install. Either we can write save here, let's say save express. It means that we are going to install express inside this and also saving as a dependency inside package.json file. So either we can write save here or at the last we can prefer here. So something save as. So this is not only for the express. Let's say that we are going to install MySQL. So something npm install MySQL, and by using save flag actually we are adding dependency to our package.json file. So back to the slide. Now this is all about installing packages to our application. Now let's say that if we have installed Express to our project and the current version, suppose we have let's say 2.1.0. In our upcoming days, the new released version or the new stable version released of let's say Express package something 4.3.1. So how can we update our packages inside our application? So by simply typing npm update and the package name, actually we can update the released version of the respective package. So simply we need to write here something, if I cancel out, something npm update, let's say MySQL. So by typing this command, actually we are going to update our installed packages to its current released stable version. Now let's say that our application contains thousands of Node.js modules. In future, if we want to uninstall some of the modules, some of the packages from our application, then we need to write our command something npm uninstall and the package name. Let's say that our application has something MySQL and we want to uninstall that. So simply we need to write uninstall here. So npm uninstall and MySQL package here. So it will uninstall from node modules folder as well as it will remove the dependency from the package.json file. So simply guys, by the help of this video, we understood about the whole concept of NPM, which is used to install, update and uninstall Node.js modules from our system. We also understood about that how can we install local packages as well as packages at global level. Also we had seen that if we want to add any dependency inside package.json file, so what we have to use, how can we update and how can we uninstall any packages from our system. So inside this video session guys, if you have any doubt, then please drop your comment. I will give my reply as soon as possible. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.